Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand two strategies which we generally follows when we are coding. The two phases of coding, which is coding fast and coding slow. So during the initial phase of the project we have ample amount of time. We think about the solution a lot, we come up with optimized solutions and then we implement the code, which is the pace of coding slow. But as the deadlines approach and since we tend to procrastinate a little, so we tend to code faster towards the end of the deadline because business requirements need to be met. Also, when we are building MVPs and when we are pushing out experimental features, even in that case we tend to code fast. Now the drawbacks of coding fast is sometimes we miss the edge cases. Sometimes it happens that unintentional bugs creep in into the code and we end up writing a lot of unoptimized code. So if we want to meet the business requirements and if we want to ship the feature fast, it's okay to code fast. But once the business requirements are met and code is pushed to your actual environment, what we can do is we can ask the business team for 2 weeks or a few weeks of time, and in that time what we can do is we can refactor the code which has been written fast. In that refactoring we can then implement the missed edge cases. We can come up with optimized code, we can refactor the code to a better understandable manner, and also we can fix those unintentional bugs. So these are the two strategies which are important for sustainable coding, for maintaining the project in the long term while maintaining the quality, but also making sure that the pace of development remains proper. So these two strategies can help, and it is imperative or very important that when we code fast we also take out time to fix the code and maintain the project properly, because as a senior developer you are not just writing code, you are making sure that the project remains maintainable and it can be used by other developers in the future. So in terms of project maintainability, you can code fast, but after that code slow and fix the problem so that the project remains maintainable. So that was a simple and short video for the today, and we covered the two phases of coding and the strategies which you can use to keep the project maintainable. Hope you found this video useful. If you found this video or you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment for any feedback that you have. That's it from my end for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.